Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my channel. The name is always GH In today's episode, we are going to be talking about one of the most challenging works in construction, and that is a base or ceiling plastering. For this one, most masons do run away from it. Now, let's be real. Ceiling plastering is not like normal wall plastering. With wall plastering, you stand straight and work. But with ceiling or base plastering, you must look up and work with your hands raised for long. It's very hard. Your hands will even go weak. The cement can also drop on your face or in your eyes if you don't take care. This is why many artisans don't like doing it. Some will even tell you, let me do the walls and someone else do the ceiling. But the base plastering is very important. Let's say your decking didn't come out well, maybe it has many rough parts or the concrete work was not smooth. If you don't plaster the ceiling well, it will look very rough when you paint it. And if your lighting shines on it, everyone will see the rough surface. Also, if you leave the ceiling like that without good plastering, dust can settle on it. It can peel and it can even cause cracks later. So, to avoid all these problems, make sure you plaster your ceiling or base very well. When it comes to ceiling plastering, don't just call any mason. Look for a good artisan who knows what he's doing. Not everyone can do base plastering properly. Some artisans will just mix mortar anyhow and come and rub the ceiling with no plan. You need someone who can apply it smooth, flat and neat. A good artisan will know how to mix the right mortar, apply it evenly and make sure it dries smooth without cracking. If you are building your house, don't forget this part. Ask the mason, can you do base plastering if necessary? If he says no, find someone who can. Now, let me give you small advice when doing any plastering, especially ceiling plastering. Always use smooth sand. If the sand is too rough or dirty, your finishing will be bad. You will see rough marks, small stones inside, and the paint will not shine nice. Smooth sand makes your work look fine. It makes the paint sit well on the surface. Also, make sure your mortar is not too thick or watery. It must be balanced. When you use the right sand and a good mix, you reduce cracks, roughness, and waste. Ceiling plastering is hard but very important. If your decking is not smooth, the plastering will correct it. Always find a good artisan who knows how to do it, and always use smooth sand to get better results. Don't let your ceiling spoil the beauty of your building. Take your time and do it very well. So guys, that's all about it today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Share your ideas and thoughts in the comment section. The name is always GH Fame, and I'll see you in the next episode. Enjoy the rest of the video.